Mom, I have been working on this document and I want the header to appear on every page when I print it. Do you know how to set that up?
Absolutely, I can help you with that. First, go to the page layout or the layout tab depending on the software. Have you done that?
Yes, I am on the layout tab now. What's next?
Great. Look for the print titles option. It's usually under the page setup. Once you find it, click on it and a new window should open.
Okay, I see the print title option and I have clicked on it. The new window's open.
Perfect. Now in that window, look for the rows to repeat at top field. Click on the small icon at the right of this field.
Got it. Do I select the row that contain my header now?
Exactly. Click on the row that contains your header. If it's in the first row, select row 1. Then click icon again to return to the previous window. Now just hit OK to apply these settings. After that, go to the file and then print to see the print preview. You should see your headers repeated on every page.
Wow, that worked perfectly. My headers are showing up on all the pages. Thanks a lot, Mom.
You're welcome. Happy printing.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Sayonara.